Hey everyone. So in this video, we're going to do an activity where we learn a little bit more about our rhythms and how to draw them. Okay, so we've done some clapping and we learned our food rhythms, hot dog, grape soda, and all those ones. But now we're going to learn how to draw some of these. So I've got a piece of paper here, and you're gonna have a copy of this. And just at the top, notice there's some information. So this is going to help you fill in these boxes. There's all these different boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to look at it going across this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we go down, there's another 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this row, each box represents one beat or one count. So if you think of it going across, there's 4 beats or 4 counts, which is equal to, in most music, that's 1 bar or 1 measure of music. If we think of a song like one, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The music is felt in groups of 4. We're dividing the music up into measures or bars, and in each bar there's 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna fill in different rhythms, and you're gonna have your own choice to make what you want to put in there, but it has to equal 4. Okay, so I want you to really be clear on that. This one box should be only 1 beat. Or if, say you wanted to start with a half note. Now, can you see this? The half note gets 2 beats. So if I draw a half note here, which that's an option, I'm going to draw a half note. I can't draw in the next box because this half note takes up 2 beats. See, it says half note equals 2. So, and notice how I drew it. Let's talk a little bit about that. I draw a circle and a stick, which I can call a stem, on this side, the right side of the circle, coming down and connecting to the side. That's how I draw it, and it gets 2 counts. So it's going to take up this box and the next box. So you could draw a line to help you remember that. You can't put anything in here. We've got 1, 2, because it's a 2-beat note. If I want to draw a quarter note, it gets 1 beat. So I could draw a quarter note here. So I need to draw a circle that's colored in, and then on the right side, a stem pointing up. It could also point down, but let's just do it pointing up for now. Okay, so that's fine. That quarter note takes up 1 beat. What are my other options? I've got a quarter note, a half note, a whole note, which gets 4 beats, or 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat. Okay, we're keeping it simple. We could have 1 eighth note, but that is a little bit more complicated. So 2 of them, notice they're tied together at the top. They're connected. So far we've got 1, 2, 3. I'll put the 2 eighth notes in here just so that we can see. So I would need 2 eighth notes. I draw them like as if they're quarter notes. But the difference is they're attached here at the top. Now 2 equals 1 beat. Okay, so now this is 4 beats in total. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 2 extra. Sorry, that doesn't make sense. I've got 2 that in this one box because 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Let's try another one. How about one that we know? Hot dog, grape soda. So hot dog is 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So hot dog is 2 quarter notes. So I've got 1. So one way to draw it is you do it the way I just did there, or you could draw the circle and then color it in. That might be a better way. Then on the right side, the line going up. Okay, so I've got hot dog, or 1, 2, and each one equals 1 beat, so it gets 1 box. Now grape soda. I actually drew grape soda right here, so it would be another quarter note. I color it in, and then I need 2 eighth notes. So 1, 2, and I draw my stems and I attach them at the top. So now I've got, can we see that? Yeah. Hot dog grape soda. What were some of the other rhythms that we did? So it's up to you to decide how you want to fill this in. Now a whole note gets 4 whole counts. So if I put a whole note in here, which is just a circle, what do I do with the rest of this? Is there anything I can do here? It gets 4 whole beats, 4 whole counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's going to go all the way across. It would just be a very long note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all I have to do for that one if I drew a whole note. So make sure if you're drawing this, you wouldn't want to put a whole note, say, in the 3rd box over, because there wouldn't be enough boxes for that note, because there would be only 2 there. Yeah, if you're going to draw a whole note, it has to be at the start because it gets all 4. If you're going to draw a half note, you have to make sure you have 2 boxes to fill up for the half note. Hot fudge sundae, apple pie. Let's do hot fudge sundae, apple pie. So hot fudge sundae is a faster rhythm. It's 8th notes. It's 4 8th notes. So I need 1, 2, because 2 8th notes equal 1 beat. So that's 1 box. Hot fudge, and then another box, just the same for sundae. Hot fudge sundae, and then I said apple pie. Apple pie. Again, I need 1, 2 more 8th notes, and a quarter note. Now I've got, can you see that? I'm just checking the camera here. Yeah, okay. Hot fudge sundae, apple pie. I'll show you that again. Point it to it. Hot fudge sundae, apple pie. Okay, so there's some ideas, but you can make up your own. Just use this to help you. Make sure that the notes, if it takes up 1 beat, it gets 1 box. If it takes 2 beats, make sure it gets 2 boxes. If you've got 2 of these, they take 1 box. A whole note gets the whole 4 boxes, the whole 4 beats. Okay, have fun with that. And then after you're done that, then you can practice clapping the rhythm that you drew, okay? All right.